Hello, dear friends. Myself, Sudarshan Patil. Today, we are going to learn one another type of a business letter, that is inquiry letter. If you want to know about a product or services or any electronic or electrical device, then what you need to do, that you need to do the inquiry. So, to get the exact information, of course, you need to write a letter of inquiry. So we'll see what precautions one must follow while writing inquiry letter. See, even in our day-to-day life, when for our personal use, when we need to buy mobile, computer, laptop, or anything, what we do first of all, we do the inquiry in 2 3 shops. We visit various stores, and afterwards we decide from where to buy a product. So in future also, you are going to, after completing of your diploma and degree, you are going to work for company on a better position. So at that time you may need to buy some material, devices or products or some services for your own company, for your company, or for your, even for your own purpose. So how to write that particular inquiry letter, we'll see. First of all, write clearly about the information you required. Even you can ask for the catalog, quotation, and brochure, information brochure, or a pamphlet likewise, so that there should not be any doubt in your mind. Once you will receive the catalog, quotation, information brochure, or even a pamphlet, your all doubts will be clear. So this is the first thing that you have to ask in inquiry letter. Keep your inquiry letter short and precise. As you know, dear friends, that while writing any formal letter, try to keep your information minimum, just within 3 or 4 paragraphs, sum up your inquiry letter. That when you are going to start your inquiry letter, start with formalities, means be formal at the start. Use dear sir or dear madam as a salutation. In the first paragraph, tell about yourself, your position, and your institute, or even you can tell about your firm. Next, you can briefly explain why you are writing this particular inquiry letter. Tell the specific information you require, you needed for your firm. So these are the things you have to follow while writing inquiry letter. One most important thing, you must research properly on the product or the service of your inquiry before you start writing the letter. Means when you are writing a letter, first of all, you yourself, you have to do the inquiry into the market, so that even you will have also a clear idea. The letter to know as much as possible about your query. Then write the letter, inquiry letter, so that you will get the exact and concrete information through catalog or through their brochure or through their quotation. And even use simple and easy language follow the all elements of letter, then do not commit any grammatical mistake, so that there should not be any misunderstanding in the mind of your reader. And what kind of a service or what kind of a product you want, that should be mentioned clearly into the inquiry letter. If your inquiry is clear, or if you what kind of a product you want, if your specifications are clear, what kind of a service you want, if that service explanation is clear, then of course you will get the immediate and prompt feedback from that service provider or that the seller of that particular product. Hope you have understood these tips for writing inquiry letter. Now we will see here one example of inquiry letter. Here is one example. See the question. I'm reading the question. As head of Department of Information Technology, Government Polytechnic Kolhapur, write a letter of inquiry to buy computers from Amit Computer Services, Kolhapur. Means who you are, what you have to imagine, that you are the head of the Department of Information Technology, Government Polytechnic Kolhapur. And what inquiry you have to do, that you need to buy few computers from whom? Amit Computer Services, Kolhapur. So sender's address is given, the name of the product which you need to inquiry, that is also given, and from whom you have to buy, or to whom you have to do the, for whom you have to do the inquiry, that address is also given. So the first element of the letter, of course, name. Here the you have to write XYZ. Then your position, you are the head of the IT department, and the address is given Government Polytechnic Kolhapur, and below that date 12th May 2021. Then to whom you have to write this letter? Of course, to the sales manager. To the sales manager, Amit Computer Services, Kolhapur. Then the next element of the letter is in subject. Subject, of course, it should be only single line. Inquiry about the availability of the computers. See, only 5 to 6 words. Inquiry about the availability of computers. So just by reading the subject, the reader can understand what kind of a letter is this. And next, at formal tone, you have to make, dear sir. This is the salutation, one of the most important element of the letter. Then paragraphs, means body of the letter. Just within 3 to 4 paragraphs, you have to cover all the subject matter into the letter. This is to first sentence. This is to inform you that I am planning to purchase 20 computers for my department for establishing new computer lab. Means in the first sentence itself, you have we have to make clear to the receiver that what we are planning for, that 20 computers. So it is written exactly and clearly. I would like to make my inquiry of computers. I would like to make an inquiry of computers. We are educational institution teaching to diploma students almost 6 days in a week. As a result, we would be requiring computers with best performances and that will run fast on any kind of internet connection. Means in this paragraph, what we need to do, already I have explained that you need to tell about your inquiry. You have to tell about yourself, your position, even you have to tell about your institution and firm. In short, the next, the aspects in regards to which I would like to require information are as following. Means in the next paragraphs itself, you have to tell what are your requirements, and it is given point wise quantity 20 computers of HP company, then specification RAM 4 GB, hard disk 100 GB, means 1 terabyte, display size 23 inches, then cabinet type CPU. So you have we need to write all the specification in details. Then next, concluding paragraph. I would like to request you, just a minute. Yes, I would like to, I would request you get back to me in regards to the above aspects. Kindly send us the quotation, available discount and terms and conditions. Your quotation price should be inclusive of all taxes such as delivery charges, packing, GST, etc. Awaiting for your positive and prompt reply. Thanking you, yours sincerely, XYZ and all that details. Means in the last paragraph, you have to ask for their catalog, quotation, then information brochure or a pamphlet, so that you will get the all the information in a single reply. If you do not write this and they just if they do not provide you the quotation, what will happen? Then again you need to write one another letter. So into single letter, you have to ask each and everything which you need to inquire. And of course, this sentence awaiting for your positive and prompt reply. So this is what you have to create a positive environment by using such a kind of a sentences. Yours sincerely, then signature, XYZ HOD, Government Polytechnic, Kolhapur. So this is again, see, only single page letter, not more than that. When you are doing a formal communication, try to keep your communication as brief as you can. Hope you have understood this writing of inquiry letter. If you have any doubt about this, you can ask me through WhatsApp, or even you can do me call also. Hope you are enjoying online learning. Thank you very much. Have a good day.